In this video, we will be learning how to enable or disable the root user account on Kali Linux. So let's get started. First, let's understand why do we want to enable the root user account in the first place. So if I open up my terminal, I can see that my local username is Farhan, and if I give the command who am I can see that I'm logged in as the user Farhan. And with the user Farhan, I'm restricted to do some certain tasks like updating my local package repository or installing any new packages, or I'm also restricted to use some directories or some files. I'll show you one example. If I go to home and if I click on computer and then click on file system, I can see the directories which have a X mark on them, like this root directory and the lost and found directory. I cannot access it because my permission is denied. And if I go back to my terminal and type the command apt update and press enter, I can see I'm getting the same permission denied error. One of the ways of making this command work is to use the sudo before this command. So I will type the command sudo space apt update and press enter and type the password for my user Farhan and press enter. I can see the command ran successfully. But there is a problem with this method. First, I have to use the word sudo before I type each command, and I have to use the password every time I use the word sudo. So what can we do is change to the root user with the command. I'll clear my terminal and type sudo space su and press enter. And I can confirm that I'm logged in as the root user. From here, if I type the command apt update, I can see I do not have to use the word sudo because I'm already logged in as the root user. But this will only work in the terminal. It will not work in the graphical user interface. I will get the same permission denied error. So let's enable the root user so that we can have the most elevated privileges and not face any permission restriction issue, which will make our life much more easier. So I will close everything, and in my terminal, while logged in as the root user, I will type the command passwd space root and press enter. Set a secured password for my root user account and press enter. I will confirm the password again by retyping the same password and press enter. And our password has updated successfully. After the password has updated successfully, I will log out from my machine, and in the username field, I will type root, and in the password field, I will type the password that I just set for my root account and press enter. I can confirm my root account has been enabled, and now from my terminal I do not have to use the word sudo before every command, and in the graphical user interface too, I can access any directory or file I want. So this is how you enable the root user account on Kali Linux. For some reason, if you want to disable the root user account, you would type the command passwd space dash l space root and press enter. Here L stands for lock. So right now my root account has been disabled. If I log out from my machine and try to log into root account one more time, I can see I cannot log in because I just disabled my root account. So if you want to enable the root account again, just follow the exact same thing I did until now. You would first type the command sudo space su and press enter, type the password for your user, then change the password, type in your new password for the root account, type in your password again to confirm, and your root account has been enabled. If you log out and log back in as the root user again, you can access the root account. So that is how you enable or disable the root user account on Kali Linux. If you want to watch more content related to Kali Linux, please subscribe to the channel. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.